Hello, in this video I'll show you how you can do coding on Hubspot by transforming pricing spreadsheets into web applications. There is a fictitious insurance company's life insurance rater created in Excel. As you can see, the yellow ones are the inputs and the other ones are the calculations. This is the web version of that workbook converted on Spreadsheet Web Platform. As you can see, it includes same inputs and same formula calculations that can be displayed to the end user. Now, let's see how this web application can be embedded into Hubspot. First, you should go to the apps marketplace and install Spreadsheet Web apps. You can do it just like this. You will choose the account and you can convert the application from there. Now, when you go to the deals page where you will embed application into the deals, you should add some custom fields matching to the rater and the price sheet. As you can see, I have all of these. Now, let's go back and run the application. First, you should add the application and it will ask you to give it a name, application link, and the application identifier. You can find this information from your Spreadsheet Web account. Because we had matching names, we can use auto-populate feature and it will automatically detect fields on HubSpot and match them to the fields in Spreadsheet Web. But for the premium and the total premium, we will match it manually. Now that the application is created successfully, we can run it. As you can see, when I hit the run button, the inputs from the deal are automatically populated and the outputs are calculated. And when you click on the save button, it will be saved. And when you go to the deals, from the deal information, you will see all the inputs and the calculated total premium, which will be written back to the deal. You can always make changes if you want to, and let's try it together and see what happens when we change something. I will change the base policy face amount from here, and after you save it, you can run the application again. Let's run the application and see what happens. Here, when I run the application, it will be changed in input and the calculations will be updated accordingly. Another important feature of Spreadsheet Web is that you can actually create PDF documents. This is a fully customizable PDF document that includes all the inputs and all the calculated premiums, with the features like headers, footers, and the formatting. This professional-looking proposal can be printed or shared with customers. And of course, when you go back and click on the Save button, all the changes will be written back to the deal details. As you can see, with Spreadsheet Web's HubSpot integration, you can transform pricing spreadsheets into web applications and embed them into HubSpot to calculate and generate costing.